Chair. I am head of the crystal factories for Fiskars, and obviously Rogaška is a big part of the crystal for Fiskars. The year 2020 was a very tough year for everyone with COVID. And here in the factory, we also rebuilt our new furnace at a cost of €4 million, and we changed our glass formulation away from lead crystal to now what we call crystal. But despite all this, and despite all the changes in the world, we at the moment have a full order book, which is amazing. I think what is happening is that in these tough times, that our customers still appreciate the good things in life. They want to go home, they want to have a drink, and they want to have the drink out of a good quality glass. One interesting point is that our demand on tumblers, whiskey tumblers in the United States has gone up. So people are not going to parties celebrating drinking champagne. They're having a drink of a very nice bottle of whiskey at home out of a very nice glass. And our orders for whiskey tumblers here in Rogaška have gone up hugely. We're in the position now that with our manual blowing is full till June, our cutting is full till May, our machinery lines are extremely busy. And I think this is down now to COVID is getting fixed, the vaccines are coming out, and people want to treat themselves with a very nice product. In a few years' time, in 2027, it will be 100 years for Steklarne Rogaška. What we need is the support of the young people to come on as apprentices to us, so that in addition to the first 100 years, the Steklarne Rogaška will get another 100 years on top of that. So we hope and we look forward to having plenty of new apprentices in the factory with us. Thank you.